This is a teardown of a generic 512 gig SATA SSD labeled OEM SSD, and the model number is Ossd512Gbtss2. And unfortunately, the drive is dead. So, let's see what's inside. Sadly, since this may or may not contain personal data on it, can't really do anything else with it other than destroy it, since I can't wipe it, and I don't have the skills to fix the drive. Plus, even if I did, it really wouldn't make much sense, considering time versus money. If I had the skills to fix this drive, it'd probably make more sense to be doing data recovery for money. But let's see what's inside here. Pretty typical aluminum enclosure. And there's the drive itself. Just unscrew it from the enclosure here, and we'll see if there's any interesting markings on it. I don't know what these generic drives, what the story is behind them. If it's just like random dead flash that was fixed and recovered, or new flash that just didn't pass tests. But this top half has some light. I don't remember what that logo stands for, but the controller chip is a SM2246EN. Did have two more spots for some memory modules for storage. Otherwise, there's some SK Hynix chips on the back. H27Q, 2T, 8CE, B9R. And a bunch of power delivery and regulation stuff. Filter caps. But kind of surprised to see SK Hynix chips on here. And I'm just looking at the board with my own eyes rather than try to look at it through the camera. I don't see any components that are visually burnt, so who knows what's wrong with it. But yeah, just a quick little teardown. Hopefully that's interesting, and thanks for watching.